Hey, and welcome back to the Juice Bar. Today, we're going to look at a very specific challenge that a client came to me with this week. And what they needed to do was to capture their most engaged prospects that they were going to reach out to in advance of an event that they're going to. The problem that they encountered was that they didn't have the ability to do this because they send all of their emails out of Sales Hub and not Marketing Hub. Now, first of all, why would you have Sales Hub and not Marketing Hub? Mostly having only one hub is a function of budget and where you are in your growth stage. So if you are sending a lot of social or a lot of one to many activities, you want to capture and track campaigns. Although truthfully, we found ways to track campaigns in Sales Hub as well. But if you want to, there may be a need when you have Marketing Hub, but typically those are thought of as one to many. And a lot of my clients work in the Sales Hub, mostly because they do very high value transactions in a one-to-one engagement with a client. And that's really where the Sales Hub shines. So before we jump into this, I want to show you the solution that we came up with for them. Okay, so the first thing that we did was we created, now I'm in the demo account, so we created a HubSpot, a score, which if you see here, I go to the properties, settings, then the properties, and I've already created it here. And so it looks like this. So it's a score type property. And so you can create scoring based on this. So you would go in and you're going to find this under activities. And I'll add one to show you, but you're going to find it under activities. And you can say how many clicks, or so you can see here I set it that there's different point scores for the number of clicks and the number of email replies. You can also add, and you're going to find it here under activities. And let's say we want to add in number of emails sent, although that would maybe not be what you want to do for the engagement, because sending doesn't equal engagement. It could be exactly one. And I just want to show you how you would enter this. So this is how you would build the score. And if you wanted to change the value, you could say they get 10 points to that score. Save it. And then the next thing that I did was I created another property that is number of opens. And the field type is a number. And so we saved that. And then now I probably should have created this in the demo portal, but it's one that I created last year as a demo for a client as we were trying to solve how to show when a page has been clicked. So it's a similar process, right? But you enter that you want, so it would be the activity, the email that they've opened, and then you would do an increase. So you could increase the score. In this case, you can see I called it this. It's in a different hub, so it's not going to be, I should have done them together. But you could say the numeric value is 1. So every time they click here or they open the email, whatever you say, increase that score, that count by 1. So when you do your score, that's going to come into play because I would add that here. So it would be something like this. And number oh no, because they're not in the same property, so it would go here. Contact property, number of opens, right? So this is going to capture whatever that is. So is greater than 6, apply filter, right? So this is where you get a little bit more in depth. And it really just depends on what data you've been capturing and what your goals are. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot and find new ways to get the data that you need so you can really define your clients. Right? But so by doing that, then the next thing that we can do is go over here and create that list, which you see I built a dummy list, and I put that total score is greater than 3. Now, of course, this is the demo account, and I don't send emails from my demo account, so it's not going to show any actual client engagement activity. But that's how you could capture email opens using sales emails and not marketing emails. And there's a couple other strategies I'm happy to dive in with you. Feel free to give me a call or reach out. But that is it for today. Have an amazing, amazing day. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.